Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video what we are going to do is we have a file which has exchange rate for every day of like 10,000 lines. So this ends on 18th of May 2028, and this is not real, like I generated this, so don't think that all of this is real data. And we start from 2001, so 1st of Jan until 2028. So we have prices of each day, but the only problem over here is each line is a dictionary. And what we will do is ask the user which day do they want to check a price of that currency, whichever currency you want, and you will pull it out. If it is not there, you will give an error message. So to start with, we need what? Actually, do we need anything in this? Let's try. So let's start with the prices. So prices is going to be an empty dictionary. So with open, let's open prices.txt and as f for line in f print line.strip. So let's run this. Let me minimize this. So if I run this, you're seeing all the dictionaries over here. So this is able to read this file properly. Now the first thing we have to do is convert this line into a dictionary. So I will say temp value is equal to eval of line.strip. So if I do print temp value and type of temp value, this should give me a dictionary. So every line is now a dictionary. But how do I get the values of this? Now, one way I can do is initialize this 1st of Jan 2001 and then increment the values every time it goes to the next line. The problem over here is after 30 or 31st, it's going to go to 32. Because we are incrementing the numbers, we are not incrementing the calendar days. The second way I can do this is put this in a datetime format and add a day every day until the end of the file. But why do we need to do all this? The easier way to do this is just do for k and v in temp value dot items. I'm using dot items because I have used the eval keyword. So this has created a dictionary. So I can just do print kv. So what I'm basically doing is just printing out this dictionary. And the reason we are doing this is because we want all the values in one dictionary rather than dealing with 10,000 dictionary. So if I run this now, you will see that every value is being printed. Now we have the value of the key and we have the value of the value in the dictionary. So all we have to do is prices of k is equal to v. Oh, I did prices, it's actually prices. So prices of k is equal to v. Then I can just print out prices and you will see the whole dictionary. Now half of our work is done over here. We have managed to read this file, take each day and then convert it into a dictionary and put it in our dictionary. So we are halfway through this program. Now let's say user underscore date is equal to input. Please enter a date you want to check price for and then slash n. Let's do hint and the format should be 2001 01 and then a colon. So if I run this now, you will see that I am giving like a hint. So I can just copy paste this. So if you do this, the user suppose put this. The way to check if it is an actual date is you can just do print if length of user date dot split, and I'm splitting it with a dash, is equal to 3 because this is element 0, element 1 and element 2. So the length is 3 then if user date in prices dot keys printf, and we'll print price on prices of user date. It's pretty easy, guys. If the date exists in our dictionary, then we will print out the price, else print we don't have price for user date, and then else printf, please put date in format year, month, day. So now if I run this, and oh, there's a problem over here. So if I run this and I put anything like this, it will give me an error. So if I put anything like 1989-01/01, this is going to give an error. But let's do 1980 and then 01 and 01. This is going to give you that we don't have price for this date. Now let's do 2001 and 0102. This is going to give you the price. So let's do one more. 2000, let's do 15, 01, 17. This is also going to give you the price. So you are able to open this file, get each dictionary, and then we are putting all of this, combining all of this data into one dictionary, and then we are able to give user the price they ask for. So I think this is a fun program. It's not like beginners, but it's also not very advanced. It's like in the middle, and once everything is easier for us because of this eval keyword that we learned in the previous video. So I think this is a cool program if you want to put it on your GitHub. But that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.